Hello students, we were discussing indicators, and first indicator used very often is natural indicator. Under the category of natural indicators, we were discussing about China rose extract. Till now we have discussed about litmus paper, that is a natural indicator. Then we discussed about the turmeric, the another natural indicator, and now today we will be discussing about China rose and red cabbage. Although we have discussed, but just as a recapitulation, we will discuss China rose extract and red cabbage extract. So both of them give red color or say dark pink or magenta in case of your acid, and they give green color in case of a base. Green in case of a base. And you know about red litmus, turmeric we have already discussed. So you will have to learn the change in color in acidic and basic medium as per the individual indicators. Now here we have seen how to make the China rose extract, where you have to pluck few flowers, just crush them, mix them in water, boil the water, and then strain out the extra whatever waste or whatever the flowers petal waste is there, and this is how our China rose extract is ready. Now next turn is of artificial indicators. Among this category we have got phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So phenolphthalein and methyl orange, these are the artificial indicators, and when a solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color, but if the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. So here you can see that in case of your acidic solution, the phenolphthalein change shows pink color, and when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives pink color if the solution is basic, but if the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. Okay, so it remains colorless because initially it is colorless. So you have to learn all these changes in color. Now we will see Now as a recap, we will once again learn about indicators and their change in color, or if it is olfactory, then change in smell. First of all, if it is red litmus, there will be no change in acid, means it will remain red, and in base it will turn blue. Blue litmus, then it will turn red in acid and it will remain blue in a base. Turmeric, no change in acid means it will remain yellow, and in a base it turns reddish brown or brick red in color. If it is red cabbage juice, again it will become reddish or dark pink magenta, you say, in acids, and green in case of base. Red cabbage juice plus China rose extract, they give same result in same kind of a result in acid and bases. So for red cabbage and China rose, same change in color is there in acid and bases, that is red in acid and green in base. Phenolphthalein, it remains colorless in acid and turns pink in base. Methyl orange, it becomes orange or turns red, dark orange in acid and yellow in base. Onion and vanilla, they are the olfactory indicators. They don't show the change in color, but yes, they do show some kind of indication related to smell. In case of acid, onion juice will show no change. No change means the smell of onion will be retaining there, it will remain there, but in case of base, the smell of onion vanishes. And in case of vanilla, in acid there won't be any change, means the smell of vanilla, original smell, will be coming there, it will retain there, but in case of base the smell vanishes. Means it doesn't come. Okay, so this is how we have studied about the indicators. Thank you very much. Keep revising.